All right, when we're looking at these, we're going to make sure that we know the two triangles. There's the 45, 45, 90, which we're going to have an x here and an x here. And that means that this is going to be x square root 2. We have a 30, 60, 90. That means we have an x here. This will be 2x. This will be x square root 3 across from the 60, across from the 30. Okay, so if this one's 6, then this is 6, then this is 6 square root 2, just like a 45, 45, 90 should be. If this is 9 square root 2, then what is x going to be? Well, this is going to be 9 square root 2, and x will equal 9 square root 2. Well, this is x square root 2, so this is 9 square root 2 times square root 2. So we're going to be 9 times square root 2, which will equal 9 times 2, which equals 18. Now, if we look at these ones, I did one over here. It didn't really work out like I wanted to, so I'll do another one. Let's say that we want to find this x and y. This is my 30, 60, 90. Let's draw it again. We know if this is my 30, this is my 60, this is my 90. Across from the 30 is going to be x. Across from the 60 will be x square root 3. And across from the 90 will be 2x. So if I look at this one, I see that across from the 30 is my x. And across the 60 is x square root 3. So how do I get from 18 to x? Well, I'm going to divide it by square root 3. So we have 18 divided by square root 3 equals my x. But we don't like that. We got to multiply it by square root 3 divided by square root 3. And then we get 18 square root 3 divided by square root 3 times square root 3 is just 3, which equals 6 square root 3 for x. Now, if this is 6 square root 3, then we know that our y is going to be 12 square root 3, because it's x and then 2x. So this is 6 square root 3 times this by 2, 12 square root 3. Filling in these are like taking, if x is 5, let's put a 5 in there, then what is this going to be? Or what's then my, if x is 5, then this is 5, then y is going to be 5 square root 2. If my y was 4 square root 2, then my x's would be 4, and so on. If my a here was a 9, that's across from 30, so the b would then be 9 square root 3, and the c would be 18, because we have our x, our x square root 3, and we have our 2x. So this multiplied by square root 3, and this x turns into 2x for the c. Alright, and then these ones, simple. You think that this is going to be 45, this is going to be 45, therefore this is 10, and this is 10 square root 2. And that's it for 30, 60, 90s.